to that very last seat. That's right, just keep swimming, all the way across the road to that very last seat. We want to make sure there's plenty of room available for these folks coming in behind you. So
secure ship for sea. Make all preparations for getting underway.
Single up all lines. Cast off forward, cast off aft. Clear the bridge. Secure hatches and vents. Stand by engines. Ship rigged for getting underway.
All ahead, 1/3.
All ahead, 1/3.
Stand by to dive.
Diving stations.
Pressure in the boat.
Compressed air readings are normal.
Flood the main ballast tanks.
Flooding main tanks. Venting auxiliaries.
Let's take her down. Dive. Take her down easy.
Trimming bow diving planes, 3 degrees down.
Catch her at 10 fathoms. Steer 30 degrees.
Right rudder, 30 degrees.
All ahead full. Steady as she goes. G'day. This is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost city.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary, a newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port and starboard.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. Surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres. Controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80.
course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir.
The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat. But now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Come aboard, explorers! Oh, let's go explore! Let's go explore the big blue world!
Wait, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go!
Nemo, wanna ride some tasty waves? Sure, Squirt. Where? EAC, dude! It'll be like, whoa! Let's go! Follow me to the EAC!
Nemo! Oh, lost again! Nemo!
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady. Take her into the car. All head standing.
Aye, aye, sir.
The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Hey, Dad! I brought Nemo!
Welcome to the EAC, Mini Marlin!
This is fun! We're gonna hit the
Nemo! This is not funny, and I know funny. I'm a clownfish. Nemo!
Dude, check it out. Wow. It's a big sunken butt. Sweet.
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help. Oh,
It's Nemo!
Where?
I don't know where. That's why we're trying to find him.
Find who?
My son, Nemo. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together. Yes, have you seen him?
Hello, morsels. There's nothing I like better than canned food. Oh, don't worry. I'm not going to eat you. At least not all at once.
No, Bruce, remember the pledge!
Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends of food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You want one of these balloons. Oh, that's it. Easy.
Secure all stations. System check.
Holding steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead full.
Hey, Squirt. I don't know. Race in there. Okay, go.
Dory!
Wait!
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
Closer, closer.
That was me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anyone. It's me,
Do I know you?
Dory!
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory, too.
Oh, what's that? It looks like...
Ooh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloonish. Boing.
It's jellyfish!
You're good. Boing, boing. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
Mr. Smarty Pants.
Boy, stop playing games!
Come on, it's fun.
No, Dory. We're invited to a party. Let's go!
I love parties. I found a hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs. It's about finding Nemo! Nemo, I found you! I was so worried!
What?
We're alive! We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo! Nemo? Nemo? Say something!
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
Oh, I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! Hey, Pearl! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Hey, Dad! You should have seen me surf the volcano!
Oh, give me some fit. Noggin.
Dude! Nemo! Check out all the whales! Semi-plankton, he says that whales only eat krill. Then why is that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one whale!
Does that smell kind of whalish to you? Is it me? That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight. I'm gonna. Just keep swimming. What? A big yellow whale! Wait, stop! Why? Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do we do? We swim, swim, swim. Bye!
Crikey!
Should I enter any of this into the log?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody would believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent or an encounter with a mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us.